everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys the Walgreens ad preview for Sunday, January 26th through Sunday, or Saturday, sorry you guys, through Sunday, January 26th through Saturday, February 1st. There's actually some pretty good deals, some kind of freebies. I also want to mention, I think it's also a new week for the Walgreens booklet, so you guys would definitely want to go ahead and get that. So I'm just going to share with you guys the deals that they have. So they always have deals of the week. Right here they have Tide, Simply, and Downy. They're going to be $2.99. I don't think we're getting any coupons for those, but there might be some that show up. But you guys need to buy 3 of them. You would pay $8.97. You would get a $3 register reward. Basically, it'd be out to be $5.97 or $1.99, which could be an okay deal. If there's no coupons, those could be also used as filler items if you guys need to use register rewards. So, sharing with you guys with that. They have some Arizona drink, 2 for $1. I swear those are 2 for $1 all the time, so you're not really going crazy. The Crest toothpaste is $2.99. Now, we are not getting single coupons for the Crest and the P&G that we're getting. We are only getting for like a double pack. So just give you guys a heads up, but we are getting $1 off coupons for the mouthwash. So you guys could buy 3 items, either buy 3 mouthwash. There may be some digitals popping up, but let's just say there's not. But you guys can buy 3 items, having 2 be the mouthwash. You'd pay $6.97. You get that $5 register reward, making them $1.97. I think for mouthwash, that's a pretty decent deal. Toothpaste, I really wouldn't go that far, but it's up to you guys. You know, everybody's different. Everybody needs different things. Now, they do have the Vanity Fair and Dixie plates on sale. Again, they're buy one, get one free, plus it says there is a $1 off an online coupon off it too. Okay, you guys, so if your stores don't let you do this, I always point this out because some people are like, you can't use a coupon, or you can't use a coupon on a free item. Well, here you guys can. You know, it just says you can't use it on an actual free item. So, giving you guys a heads up with that. But there may be some Saving Star deals, but I know with the plates, after the coupon factored in, it's like $2.99. The napkins, it's $1.99, so pretty decent deal. Now right here they have the DiGiorno pizza, 2 for $9. It looks like there is going to be a 2 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, making them $7. Now in the 12/8 Retail Me Not, we do have some $1.50 off coupons. They do expire January 31st, so you guys have until Friday to do this deal. But you guys want to use $2.50 off coupons plus the 2 off of 2 Walgreens booklet. You guys will get both pizzas for $4. That's $2 a piece. That's a pretty good deal, especially, you know, with football, the Super Bowl coming up the next weekend. You guys could definitely, you know, stock up on some pizzas if you're having a party. Chips, $1.88, great deal for that. And then they have soda, pop, looks like all of it's for $3.33 if you guys buy 3 of them. Okay deal. I usually try not to do that deal, but you know what? Everybody's different and everybody needs different things. So now we're going to go to the second page. Now the Walgreens always has their ad last. I know it's kind of confusing, but they got Post cereal for $1.99, which is a pretty good deal. There was some rebates on Ibotta for that. I'm not sure if they're still available. I just remembered. So it's up to you guys what you guys want to do. They do have the Revlon and Almay deal still going on. It's spend $15, you get a $10 register reward. Those coupons are in the 1.5 Smart Source, so if you guys want to go ahead and do that, you can definitely do that. They got some other stuff you guys can make for the Super Bowl. If you guys plan on having a party, lots of chips and snacks and all that jazz on sale. Here we got some more food items. Nothing really popping out at me. You know, gum is 99 cents. Now they have the Crunch and Butterfingers, 2 for $1. Now in the past, there's always been a Catalina that prints off when you buy 6. Not sure if that's going to happen, but you know what? If it happens, that is awesome, and then you guys can keep using those coupons. They do have a 2 off of 2 online coupon for Hallmark if you guys want to get a Valentine's Day card or any kind of card. That background noise is my daughter digging out something right next to me. Now here we got the nice bags. You guys, they've been going on sale, I swear, like every other week. Don't need any bags, but these are $2.79. They're buy one, you get 2 free. They come out to be just 93 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal. They do have the paper plates and the aluminum foil for 99 cents if you guys want to do that. They did have Glad coupons. I'm not sure. I think those are Glad coupons on coupons.com. I'm not 100% sure, but I could check that and see if those would work for that. Then here are some cleaning products. There's a lot of these coupons right now that are printable coupons. They're buy one, get one 50% off. Windex, Scrubbing Bubbles, if you guys want to print them off. Some of them are $1, some of them are 75 cents. Up to you guys. Now they do have puffs for on sale for $1.24. There's going to be a 25-cent off coupon, making them 99 cents. Febreze is 2 for $6. I think we are getting a buy one, get one free coupon in the Walgreens, or the P&G, but I'm not sure. But otherwise, there is an online coupon for 3 off of 2, so it makes them $1.50 a piece if you guys want to go ahead and do that. They do have some wipes, a 2-pack, 2 for $8, so you guys would basically get them for like $2 a piece if you guys bought 2 packs of them. It comes out to be $2 for each thing. A lot of makeup on sale, but nothing really popping out. They got Pantene 3 for $12. There's a 3 off of 3 coupon, making them $9. I would not do that, you guys. Not worth it. Nope, nope, nope. Garnier Fructis is buy one, get one 50% off. There's going to be a 4 off of 2 coupon. It's hard to say if it's a really good deal. I don't feel like a lot of shampoo and conditioner is going to be a great deal this week. There might be another week next time, but it's up to you guys what you want to do. They do have some Dove coupons for $6.99 for a 6-pack. I'm not sure if that's a great deal, but you might be able to combine that with an actual coupon, I think. I've never done that before, but there's that. They have a lot of facial care items, buy 2, get the 3rd free. That's usually going to be that sale price pretty much all month long. It looks like it's going to be that price for until February 29th. So there might be some good deals. There might be. You never know. Here we got some Colgate toothpaste for $2.99. In the 119 Smart Source, we did receive some 50-cent off coupons. You guys want to use 2 of those coupons. You would pay $4.98. You would get a $4 register reward, making it 98 cents. But we also did receive a 5 off of 3 printable coupon that is on coupons.com that is no longer available. But you guys can buy 3 tubes of toothpaste. You would pay $3.97. You get a $4 register reward, making them absolutely for free. So that is a great deal, and those coupons do expire, I think, that week anyways. So it's up to you guys if you want to do that. For once, the Secret and the Old Spice is just buy one, get one 50% off. There's no points attached to it. I feel like the points have been attached to it for like 2-3 months now. So, yes, Skintimate, Schick, all that stuff is buy one, get one 50% off. You get 3,000 points when you spend $15. Gillette razors, buy one, get one 50% off. And there's going to be a $4 online coupon if you want to do that. Now, these are the 2-packs. You get a $4 register reward when you buy 3 of these. We are getting some coupons. There's going to be a 5 off of 3 digital coupon for the Crest. Otherwise, I think we are getting like $2 off coupons, I think, for the Crest. So it's up to you guys what you want to do. Here is some baby stuff. Nothing really popping out with me for that. $3 register reward when you guys buy 2 of these items. I don't think we can really get some really good deals, but you never know. Medicines, Leave is $9.99. You get a $4 off online coupon. Yes. And then this is the last page, you guys, and there is actually a pretty good deal right here. It's been a while since I've seen this deal. So it's a free $10 Walgreens gift card when you guys buy 2 of any of those 4 gift cards. Okay, so Netflix and Uber, the minimum you guys can buy for a gift card is $15. So you guys would buy 2 of those gift cards. You can have 2 of the same ones. You can mix and match, whatever you guys want to do. But you would spend $30 and you would get $10 back, or $10 in a gift card back. Great, great deal. This is how I've been starting to pay for my Netflix lately, because it ends up being a whole lot cheaper doing it that way. And then we got Hulu and Sling. The minimum you guys can do with those is $25. So you would spend $50 for 2 gift cards, but then you guys would get that $10 gift card back, making it $40. You guys can also buy 1 Netflix and 1 Hulu. You would just pay, what, $40 for those? Yeah, you pay $40 for those. Get that $10 gift card. mix and match, whatever you guys want to do, but that is a great deal. I'm going to definitely try to do that deal. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all on Sunday for my awesome Walgreens haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.